megalayapost.news.
Kemali jong Kasilong East Constituency na National People's Party NPP kakong amparin lang do ni kasi kalaong bakami kajing kalin lada kakwa ni ambanyakun ya election MP teng samoy na Silong parliamentary scene habakran kilat patay kubor kakong amparin kalaong ya karaiban penyang kertong na kabentak election MP kasyong ka party yanuban penyakun kakong amparin kalaong ka party kalarai hakabay debat ka kertong bat ka party kanha banyo jing manjur na ka kertong hasyaban penmelapat ba ya ka kerteng langan yakun hak election MP teng samoy ya kataon haban simra da ka party kalaong kakong amparin kalaong banalor ka election MP teng samoy ka party kan habruban perkhat hakabay de bagjing penkre jong ka party na kabentak election MLA Arhajar Arpupra tada kasyong hakamon jonga ngakwa abait banlaj na kajing sya batikam habay de bat ka election MP teng samoy namar ngakwa ban pledging mut bat penkre ka election sya ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.
A question of desire is irrelevant. It's a question of commitment. A political party would decide on a candidate, and that candidate's consent will be sought. Whether or not I wish to, I think would be left to the wisdom of a party. But yes, keeping in mind that the electoral preparations for election 2028 are now at a crossroad, I wish to be relieved if given an opportunity or a choice, because I must concentrate on my LA seat and not get distracted by again going into a field and contesting the LS, unfortunately, that has arisen and has become vacant.
megalayapost.news.